Okay, a very good afternoon and very good evening to everyone who are with us in this evening. So we'll be having a product introduction talk by me today. So we'll be talking on all the products which are provided by us, including our health products, our facial product, and our personal care, and even our household products. So we will be going through on all the products, and of course, I'll be presenting on the important points and also how different it is as compared to the products in the market. So let's get on with the first product, which is our fish oil. Our omega D3 is one of the most distinctive product in that we provided. So how do you differentiate on fish oil? How do you choose a good omega 3? So first, fish oil versus omega 3. So please do not confuse yourself with fish oil and omega 3. See, fish oil naturally there's only about 30% of omega 3. As you can see, every omega 3 or every fish oil product, they will have a label, content, or table. So as you can see here, fish oil concentrate 1000 milligram, then inside is only 180 of EPA and also 120 in um, DHA. So EPA and DHA combined makes the omega-3, which is only about 300 milligram out of this 1000 milligram, about 30%. So why is this? Because you see, naturally occurred, the fish oil only has 30%. So a lot of manufacturer, they tend to highly concentrate them, and the higher percentage of the omega 3, it will make this fish oil the better choice. Then of course, there's another thing you need to make sure, which is the form. The form of the fish oil is also very important, as a lot of fish oil in the market, they have to go through a process called molecular distill, so to remove all the um, heavy metal and also any impurities. So once it goes through this process, it will become ethyl ester form, or in short, EE form. So in this form, for us human being, the absorption is not as well. So our fish oil, omega-3 plus vitamin D3, okay, using Pronova Pure from Norway, 1000 milligram of pure fish oil using small fishes like anchovies, sardines, and mackerels. Why? Because the small fishes, they do have a shorter lifespan, meaning that their pollution towards heavy metal and uh, even any form of pollution is less as compared to those big fishes which live a longer life. So ours have 1000 milligram. There is 700 milligram of omega 3, of which 500 milligram of EPA and 200 milligram of DHA, 70% with a high concentration. And ours is TG form, triglyceride form, which is a more similar form to fish oil for better absorption. And also we added in a 1000 international unit of vitamin D3, okay, for heart health benefits. So of course, vitamin D3, as you all know, it helps to increase calcium absorption, but it does have a benefit on heart as well. So I'll be letting you know in a while. So why consume omega-3? Because first, you have to maintain the softness and elasticity of your cell membrane. All our cells has a membrane which is protecting it. So as we age, as you're taking all these um, unhealthy food, okay, even some form of a bad habit like smoking, it will cause your membrane to harden. So when your cell membrane harden, okay, it will cause your cell, the metabolism, when they create all this waste product, will be unable to excrete out the toxic waste, and whatever nutrient, whatever vitamins you take in, your cell won't be able to take in because of the hardening of the membrane. So omega-3 being an essential fatty acid will be able to maintain your cell membrane to be soft and pliable, so allows your cells to effectively absorb nutrients and excrete toxic waste. So, and the next function is to improve on heart health. It helps to reduce triglyceride and even the bad cholesterol, LDL. And it helps to reduce risk of stroke and heart attack by preventing your blood clotting. So it allows your blood flow to be better. And next, it helps to reduce inflammation, because there are studies suggesting that inflammation happens in the blood vessel, which is caused by sugar problems, smoking, and even high blood pressure. This will cause your blood vessel to inflame, and when it starts to inflame, it increases the risk of getting a blockage. So omega-3, it helps to reduce inflammation, thus preventing your blood vessel from having any form of blockage. And lastly, of course, it helps to improve on brain function because of DHA. DHA is a special chemicals which help for your brain to work properly, which is important chemicals. So this is very important for pregnant ladies we are able to provide DHA to your growing baby inside your womb. And of course, even lactating mothers, it helps to when you breastfeed, the DHA or the omega-3 will be given through the breast milk to the baby. And of course, for adult, after we take, it will improve on our brain function and memory as well. So added in vitamin D, and of course, first it helps to strengthen bones because it helps to increase on calcium and phosphorus metabolism and the absorption. Next, it helps to strengthen our immune system because vitamin D3 stimulates white blood cell surface activating enzyme, which activates our white blood cell to help us fight any form of infection. And lastly, it helps to prevent heart attack because vitamin D is a powerful trigger of nitric oxide. So this nitric oxide, it helps responsible to relax our blood vessel and prevent plaque formation. So it's in the clinical settings, as they found in a lot of hospitals, they found out that a lot of heart attack patients has a deficiency of vitamin D3. So as a summary, just remember ours is a TG form, not EE form, and high purity, high concentration. We have 70% of omega-3, one of the highest in the market, uses small fishes which made it less heavy metal poisoning, and of course added in with vitamin D3. And next function will be for cholesterol. Okay, it maintains or reduces the bad cholesterol. It helps to maintain a good LDL versus HDL ratio, anti-inflammatory prevention of blockage in our blood and blood vessel, which prevents cardiovascular disease like stroke and heart attack. So it helps with heart health and your brain health. So next, another very important product that we have is our Ganoderma. So Ganoderma, you may ask, is actually a lingzi, or in Japanese they call it reishi. So it's a mushroom of immortality, of king of the herbs. So what is the main function of consuming a Ganoderma? There are two main big function from Ganoderma. The first one is regarding on our immune system. So it acts as a adaptogen, so adjust to body condition because poor immune system, there are two disorder you may have. Okay, so first, um, the immune system may be poor. Okay, so this person may be susceptible to infection or any form of disease easily. So um, Ganoderma will be able to enhance, it will stimulate our body to produce more immune cells, thus improving on our immune system. However, there are some form of disease which caused by immune system, which is caused by the immune system being too active, like our autoimmune disease. Okay, simply put it as a simple way to understand being too active. Autoimmune disease like SLE, eczema, any form of allergies, and even asthma. All these are caused by our immune system being too active. So Ganoderma being an adaptogen, there is a two-way activity, not just stimulate. If your body immune system is poor, it will stimulate to become better. It will stimulate our body to produce more immune cells. If your immune system is being too active, it will able to regulate, or even you can put it as bring it down. So it will help with all this autoimmune disease and even rheumatism. So the next big function of Ganoderma is for anti-inflammation. See, a lot of disease in our body is due to inflammation, like give it like I mentioned just now, cardiovascular disease because of blood vessel inflammation, fatty liver, any form of hepatitis, liver disease is because of inflammation happening in our liver, any form of joint pain, any form of like the menstrual pain, all these are because of inflammation happening in that particular organ. So anti-inflammation, the strongest anti-inflammatory, it helps to prevent cardiovascular disease, soothes our joint pain, rheumatism, prevent prostate swelling is also due to part of a prostatitis, which is a prostate inflammation, liver condition, like I mentioned, hypertension, blood sugar, menstrual pain, insomnia, gout, and even thyroid disorder. Even any hyper or hypothyroidism is caused by the thyroid inflammation. And also it helps to enhance on detoxification, helps to our body to detox. And how does our Ganoderma different from the any form of a reishi or any Ganoderma in the market? So as you see, all these herbs or even any form of plants, okay, they have two types of ingredient inside. Okay, so the first ingredient is, we call it water soluble. Okay, so water soluble meaning that if you boil it with water, any form of easy extraction process using water, it will soluble. It will solute into the water. It will come into the water because it likes water. But there is another uh, compound, okay, found in plants and herbs. Okay, it does not like water at all. It is ethanol soluble compound. As you can see here, ethanol. Ethanol is a form of alcohol. So that is the reason why some of the herb that, if you know from the Chinese medicine, they do put it into a rice wine. So as because this compound only through ethanol or any form of alcohol able to extract out. If you use water, no matter how you boil it, no matter how long you soak it, it won't be able to extract it out. So, but don't worry, this product is halal certified because it's only a extraction process. Once the extraction process is done, the ethanol or the alcohol is evaporated. So this product is safe for any Muslim customers or any Muslim members. Okay, so when we have two types of compound, we call it dual solvent extraction. We have the water and ethanol soluble compound. It's easier to provide have to provide us to have a easier absorption and increase its bioavailability. So water and ethanol extraction, easy absorption, and also higher bioavailability. Immune booster and modulator. Remember, it is a two-way activity. Anti-inflammatory, prevention of heart artery blockage, joint pain, prevents any prostate enlargement, okay, and also fatty liver condition. It helps to protect our liver, kidney, lungs, pancreas from exposure to toxin. So next, we have our famous herb from Malaysia, which is our Tongkat Ali. So Tonka Ali, the main function is to improve on our hormone production. So for men, of course, it helps to improve on testosterone. For women, it also helps to improve on progesterone because you see, as we age, for men, age of above 25, for women, for age of above 35, your hormone production will start to become slower and slower, and this is when all these disease starts to come out, like osteoporosis. Now your bone becomes soft and brittle, and shrinking of your muscle. It causes a form of diabetic, a pre-diabetic, also because of muscle shrinkage. So as you can see, so it helps to increase on hormone production. So it's actually suitable for both men and women. So it helps to increase muscle strength and size because of hormone. Okay, then gout relief as well. There is a study suggesting that Tonka Ali will be able to reduce uric acid production. So it helps to prevent any form of gouty arthritis, which is gout pain, joint pain caused by gout. And of course, with the improve on testosterone, it will help to improve on libido and energy as well, helps with erectile dysfunction and also bone strength. So same tonka ali being a herb, it's there is two types of compound. There is a ethanol and water soluble compound. This is dual solvent extraction, same as our gano. That's why it is better than you having to buy the tonka ali itself and maybe you cook it yourself, because our does have two types of extraction process. And as you can see, benefits of optimizing your testosterone. As we age, will become more and more like the picture on the left. You become more depressed, you easily gain weight, and of course, there is a reduced uh, muscle and also your bone density and increased risk of getting erectile dysfunction and low libido. So if you are able to boost your testosterone, so your mood also will become better. You become more confident, increase in muscle size. So when it increases in muscle size, it also helps to protect our heart as well. So stronger libido, stronger bones, and also plenty of energy. So for women, the same. So as you can see on the left, okay, if you as you age, reduction of progesterone you'll become more and more estrogen dominance. Okay, so because due to this hormonal imbalance, you will become more depressed, maybe some mood swings, so easily gain weight, and of course, weak bones. So if you have more progesterone, so counter this estrogen dominance, you, even your mood will become more relaxed, your skin, your hair will become firmer, and also it will be your bones and your muscle will become more lean and toned. So just a summary on that. So just remember dual solvent extraction. So how it differs from the product in or the other Tonka Ali in the market, or even you're buying the Tonka Ali as a whole by yourself, we have dual solvent extraction, both ethanol and water soluble compound. So health benefit, it helps to boost hormones, okay, like testosterone for men and progesterone for women. Counter estrogen dominance, so it helps to protect against heart disease, increase libido, mood stabilizer, prevents weight gain, and one more important is to help a prevention on hormone dependent cancers, growth on tumor, because you see, like prostate, breast, uterus, ovary, being when they have some form of growth, being it cancerous or non-cancerous, usually is due to hormonal imbalance. So having to improve or regulate your hormone production, it helps to prevent the growth in prostate, breast, uterus, and even ovary. So next, we have another product which is very important on our heart health, which is our TocoQ, vitamin E and CoQ10. So there are two compounds inside. First, we have tocotrienol, which is our palm oil vitamin E. So a newer generation of vitamin E, more potent than another form, which is a tocopherol. So most of the vitamin E is being sold in the market are in tocopherol. So please do have a look. Then our tocotrienol production from palm oil, so it's up to 60 times more potent than tocopherol. Vitamin E acts as a antioxidant, okay, prevent hardening of your blood vessel, helps to prevent cardiovascular disease, skin and anti-aging protection, and repair damaged cell, and also strengthen your immune system. Then next, of course, the next compound will be our CoQ10. So CoQ10 is a type of fat-soluble vitamin-like compound. So it is for energy production in all cells, especially our heart muscle, because see, have a look at the picture on the right. So this is a mitochondria, which is one of the component in all our cells. All our cells has this mitochondria. Mitochondria also there's another name people refer this as a energy factory or energy product producer. So it helps to produce energy in all our cells. So the raw ingredient or the ingredient it uses is CoQ10. So that's the reason also why like our heart, it helps to pump our blood every second. Our liver, it helps to detox our body every second as we breathe. So this one, it requires more energy. So it actually has more mitochondria. That's why it also requires more CoQ10. So, and CoQ10 also can act as a very potent antioxidant. So this potent antioxidant, it helps to for our skincare. So it very very potent on preventing on some spots and actually age spot on our face. So it acts as an anti-aging. So also such a good antioxidant. It also helps to improve on kidney health as well. So TocoQ, okay, so right combination to improve heart health because we combine vitamin E and CoQ10 together. So first, vitamin E prevents our blood vessel from hardening, and it helps to strengthen our heart muscle by using having CoQ10 inside. And we have tocotrienol, which is a more potent vitamin E. Okay, and next our CoQ10 is okay, is made by using bacterial fermentation, so it's not a synthetic form, and it's very ideal for people on cholesterol medication like any form of statins. So because studies suggest that statin can reduce CoQ10 levels in our body, so that is also why the reason when a person who is taking on statins or cholesterol medication, when they feel tired, often they even have back pain or any form of muscle ache, is because of reduction of CoQ10. All right, next we have a series of product from Taiwan. This is from Taiwan. As you can see, all these ingredients are made from food ingredient. So how is this so potent, or how is it so um, some of the result is better than any prescription drug? Because this company produced the product by using two technology. First, we have BET. Then next we have DSCT with able to achieve high concentration, which is 30 times concentrate. So how do you explain on 30 times concentrate? So meaning that giving an example, you see, red and black bean or even red date wolfberry, which is easily you can get it from the market or you can cook it yourself. But 30 times concentrate meaning that it able when you drink one bowl or even one cup, equivalent to you drinking 30 bowls or 30 cups. That is how you easily can explain 30 times concentrate. So all natural formulation contains no chemicals at all. And we have these 6 products from this range, which is first, we have our good night drink, which helps to relax and improve the quality of sleep. Good night drink will be able to, of all natural formulation, it helps to improve on deep sleep. You see, as we sleep, we need to go into deep sleep. Only our brain will be able to fully rest and, of course, fully rest and okay, just a moment. So fully rest and of course it helps to uh our brain cell to detox. So this is how we can get a better sleep by going into a deep sleep. So next we have our barley drink plus for fairer, brighter, and glowing skin. So all natural formulation as well at 30 times concentrate. Red and black bean drink, it relieves water retention. Okay, so it is from red bean because it helps to reduce water retention. So this product do makes some person have to go to toilet more frequent. And next we have our black bean drink as well. So this black bean drink will improve or increase our metabolism. So this one, it also helps to reduce fat as well. So for this product, especially good for ladies because it helps to reduce both water weight and fat weight. So next we have our okra drink. So okra drink, it helps to regulate on blood sugar levels. It's very suitable for people who are having diabetes. So this okra drink, it has a high concentration, which is also 118 times of the concentrate of isoquercetin. So the main ingredient that we found in okra that helps with blood sugar regulation is isoquercetin. So this one, isoquercetin, in traditionally a lot of people using okra to make okra water, which you use a few sticks of okra and soak it into water and drink. So with the high concentration, it helps to regulate our sugar level better. And next we have our red date and wolfberry. So these 2 ingredients mainly to improve on energy level. So this one is also one of the very good substitute for coffee. Let's say if you often feel tired and often feel you want to get more energy in the morning, especially you want to go for an important meeting, you can use this as a substitute for coffee because it increases your energy level instantaneously and minus the side effect from drinking coffee causes you to have a palpitation. So red and blueberry also very good to improve on our red blood cell production. So especially for ladies as well, because of your monthly menstruation, so you may have a higher risk of having anemia, which is insufficient of blood, causing you to have a cold hands and feet. So this also may help to improve on that condition. And lastly, we have our buckwheat. Buckwheat, it helps to maintain or regulate our blood pressure. So anyone with a problem with hypertension, you may drink this regularly daily. Okay, so to help to regulate on your blood pressure naturally. Okay, next in line, we do have another form of product which is in powder form, which is our Goji Berry Plus. As you can see, why we name it Goji Berry Plus, because it's not just containing goji, it actually has 4 ingredients inside. First, we have goji berry, we have our blueberry, our chrysanthemum, and also calendula flower. So these 4 ingredients are especially good for our eye health. Okay, so it helps to relieve tired eyes. It helps to improve on our vision clarity and brightness. It is developed by Industrial Technology Research Institute of Taiwan, ITRI Taiwan. Research institute is a Taiwan government funded research institute. They have more than 1,600 professors and researchers inside. So one of the team, they are responsible for eye health. So they use this 4 ingredient that I mentioned, so to make it into one product, and they have this nanotechnology which helps to nanofy So cause making all these compound size or the particle size is be very, very small. So one of the best way to consume this is by taking the powder form itself and putting it under your tongue. So just putting it directly, okay, under your tongue. Because of the nanotechnology, the absorption is very, very fast. So you may feel it in about less than 15 minutes. The effect, you may feel it less than 15 or even less than half an hour. So goji berry, it helps to relieve tired eyes, improve vision clarity and brightness. So let's say if you are a person who uses computer a lot, okay, for all the working class. So towards the end of the day, you may feel very, very tired eyes. And of course, after that, you have to drive home. That may be causing some danger. So what you do is just take it half an hour before you drive, or even you have to drive at night. Sometimes when you drive at night, the street lights or this glaring may cause you to disturb your vision, or even you have to drive a long distance. So you may use goji berry. Okay, so effect is very, very fast. You may try it yourself. Okay, you will know the effect in less than half an hour. So it helps to relieve tired eyes, okay, and especially for contact lens wearer because causing irritation to your eyes, and reduce eye pressure in conditions like glaucoma. So because it helps to relieve our eyes as well and prevent macular degeneration, floaters. So let me talk more on floaters. You see, our product has been there for more than a year now. So there are a lot of feedback from our members saying that floaters, it helps to reduce floaters in the matter of about 2 weeks. See, floaters is a condition where even if you go to any ophthalmologist, you do any form of surgery or even lasers, it's very, very difficult to treat. But this symptom can be relieved, okay, by our goji berry and also myopia and pseudo myopia as well. So pseudo myopia, pseudo in medical term simply means that it's fake myopia. So pseudo myopia is caused by our eyes or our activity on looking at a computer screen or even our iPads at a long time. So it causes one of the muscle, as you can see here. Okay, our eyes vision is controlled by this muscle controlling our lens. So if you get this uh, spasm on this muscle, it may cause you to have this symptom called pseudomyopia. It's actually the fake myopia. Once you're able to relieve or relax this muscle, your vision may come back, especially for children. You don't need the child may not need to wear any glasses, okay, because of pseudomyopia. And of course, it also helps to promote faster recovery from cataract surgery and laser vision, okay, our LASIK. Okay, so because this one, after you do these two procedures, your eyes need some time for it to uh, gain back the vision. So this one will promote faster recovery. So next we have our whitening and sun protection formula, which is our rose white. Rose white inside there's a 4 ingredient. So rich orange complex helps with UV protection. Orizer ceramide helps with skin moisturizing because ceramide is the natural form of oil layer on the surface or um, the outer layer of our skin. Then rose petal extract, it helps for whitening, reduction of pigmentation and black spot. Astaxanthin, the best antioxidant in the market. Okay, it helps to reduce wrinkle and improve skin texture as well. So next, we have another range of product from also from Taiwan. We have Double Nutri. Okay, so it provides a lipotech emulsion technology. So I'll be explaining on that technology as in a while. Okay, so this technology provides these three products to have a 5 times better absorption. Okay, how does it do it? So first, let me introduce on these three products. So first, we have our Grape Plus. Grape Plus inside contains all these very, very good antioxidants, which is from grape seed, okay, or resveratrol and polyphenols. So these two active antioxidant is especially very good for our heart and vascular system. It helps to strengthen our blood vessel, preventing blood vessel from hardening and also anti-aging. So this polyphenols, okay, all these resveratrol and polyphenols does contain from the grape, okay, actually the main ingredient from grapes, and of course from red wine, which is made from grape, does contain all these polyphenols as well. So if for this product, if they have the um, levels of polyphenols that we have that we can provide because of the 5 times better absorption. When you drink one sachet a day, it's equivalent to you getting a polyphenols from one bottle of red wine. So it is very, very high concentrate and so 5 times better absorption. So it helps with our cardiovascular disease. Next, we have our Vita Plus, which is a multivitamin containing 29 types of natural vitamins and also minerals. Next, we have our Leaf Plus. Leaf Plus, of course, is liver. So it helps to detoxify and our liver cells and regenerate. So you see, Indian jujube, Chinese jujube, artichoke, and also turmeric. All these are very, very good and important to induce our liver detoxification. And we have this salmon testis DNA, or we call it salmon milk. This one is very, very good to promote regeneration of liver cell, meaning that it allows your liver to grow new liver cells. So let's say condition like a fatty liver, like condition like a hepatitis, you need to grow new liver cells. So this is our special product or our Leaf Plus that it contains this salmon milk. Okay, it differs from the rest of the liver product in the market. It helps to grow new liver cells. So how does Double Nutri, this company, produce these three products that are able to have 5 times better absorption is by having a emulsified size compound. So you see, it's able to produce the active ingredient from all the three products that I mentioned, our Grape Plus, Leaf Plus, and Vita Plus. So it's able to produce a health or the nutrient compound in emulsified size particles. So emulsified size is 1 to 3 micrometer, which is 1/9 of the size of red blood cell. So having such a small particle, of course, it will increase on their absorption. So next, it able to combine water and oil soluble ingredient because you see some of the vitamins or ingredient are water soluble, some are oil soluble. So of course, with the water and oil, they won't be able to mix together. But with that small emulsified size, water and oil is able to mix together. So thus improving on the absorption, which is 5 times better. Okay, so next, because of food now, we do have one very good product from which is our Mari honey. So Mari honey is a natural, all natural bioactive honey with TA30 plus. So what is TA30 plus? Total activity 30. So total activity is a measurement of the bacterial antibacterial effect. The higher the TA means the more potent of this honey able to kill or dissolve any form of microbes like harmful bacteria. So TA30 plus is equivalent to high grade Manuka honey. Okay, so it is equivalent to very, very high grade Manuka honey, and it helps to relieve sore throat and oral ulcer just by taking it raw. Okay, so no need to mix it with water, just can take it raw. It helps to relieve sore throat and oral ulcer, and because of the high antibacterial effect, and also because it's natural honey, you may apply directly onto wound to aid in healing because the main reason for a wound to have a delayed healing is because of infection. So by having the honey to kill off all these harmful bacteria, it helps wound to heal faster as well. All natural honey, no added sugar, you may directly use it. So even suitable for um, people who have some sugar problem like diabetic. Okay, so it of course honey it also helps with antioxidant, reduce fatigue, and support on our immune system as well. All natural honey, okay, very, very tasty as well. So no added sugar. And next we have another vitamin, which is our vitamin B. So vitamin B is a class of water-soluble vitamins. So vitamin of course, B complex, there are from B1 to B12. So each of these vitamins has, okay, the vitamin B has its own important role. What roles of vitamin B is generally on cell metabolism, brain function, nerve function, especially on B1, B6, and B12, red blood cell formation, DNA production, energy production, and of course hormone production. So a lot of times we do rely on our vitamin B to provide us more energy. So our natural B is made into a chewable form. So very convenient for you to ingest, especially let's say, and again, let's say you have an very important meeting to go to attend to, or if you are going for a job interview. So just take about 3 to 4 tablets before, just chew it. Okay. So then you will get the energy in less than an hour or even less than a half an hour. So all natural form vitamin B, it won't have the side effect of a synthetic vitamin B, okay, especially B complex. So of course, when you take in a synthetic vitamin B, some of the person has this experience of after taking B complex, you may feel what we refer as a heatiness sensation, or even when you go to toilet, when you pass urine, you will get the smell. Your urine become very very dark colored. Why is this happening? Because our body cells is not designed to absorb synthetic vitamin. Okay, so that's the reason when you take in a synthetic form of vitamin B, the vitamin B particle remain in your blood vessel and help in it follows your blood circulation. That is the reason you're feeling the heatiness or the hot. Then when it comes to your kidney, it turns into, or after going through your kidney filter system, it becomes urine and be excreted out from your body. It's totally wasted. So our natural B from Penmore B complex, 100% natural form, biological active complete B from quinoa sprout. Complete B vitamins means B1 to B12 also we have. So this natural form of vitamin, our cells, of course, it will be able to absorb better. It won't get that kind of feeling, like I said just now. You feel the heatiness or the hotness. So, and as then natural form of vitamin B has this superior bioavailable and active due to the presence of coenzyme bound to the B vitamin, as you can see from the right side. So, when you have a vitamin B particle bound to a coenzyme, it will increase the absorption 400 times more bioavailability. And next, our natural B inside has this NADH as well. So NADH is a biological active form of vitamin B3 or niacin. So NADH is it helps to ensure our activity and vitality. It helps to provide us with energy. So it's the strongest energy donor. So when it keeps giving out energy, of course, it will be unstable when it's exposed to sunlight, light, any form of light, and even oxygen, and loses its effectiveness. Our Penmore NADH has a patented method which made it non-perishable for years, preserving its effectiveness. So 100% all natural form B vitamins from quinoa sprout. So complete B vitamin with coenzyme. So made it into chewable form. Very easy, very convenient to take. So it helps to improve on mental function, focus, improve physical energy, managing stress, depression, and even nerve health, especially for diabetic patients. So people who have a high sugar level in their blood, this sugar will actually will directly cause harm or injury to your nerve, which cause you to have some form of numbness in your hands and feet. So Natural B will be able to help with counter this problem. And of course, it helps to improve on your energy and your focus level. So next we have our ume and black vinegar balm. Okay, one of our star product as well. So ume, of course, a Japanese apricot. It helps, known for effective function of stomachs and intestine. When you feel overeaten, you feel bloated, if you feel indigestion, this will be able to help. And of course, ume contains murmurofurol. This murmurofurol, it has the effect of improving blood flow. I'll be showing it after later. Okay, and next we have the murmurofurol also helps to, it contains a lot of organic acid to help with counter fatigue. So ume, also known as the king of alkaline food, it helps to counteract the acidity of body because the food that we take in daily, okay, like this, as you can see here, neutralizing the excess of the food that we take in, like high protein food like meat, fish, whey protein, sugar, carbohydrates, daily products like milk and cheese, coffee, margarine, synthetic vitamins, processed food, and even sodas and alcohol. All this will cause our body to become very acidic, when we have this acidic or acidosis, first it will cause osteoporosis. So because you see our blood or our body will try to neutralize the acidity by taking the calcium from our bone, which is the alkaline minerals. So when you keep taking calcium from your bone, of course, slowly your bone will become osteoporotic. And next, acidosis. When your body is very acidic, it will affect your sleep, okay, because it increases the cortisol level, cortisol, which is our stress hormone. Next, infection. When your body is very acidic, bacteria and viruses, they grow easier. So that is also how when you try to alkaline your body, it actually helps your body to prevent from any form of virus infection. So same for cancer as well. It will grow in an acidic condition. So try to alkaline your body more. And other problem caused by acidosis like kidney stones, okay, lowering when you have a low growth hormones, it will increase body fat storage, and also your skin, your nails, your hair will become even more dry and brittle. So ume and black vinegar, we have this black vinegar as well because black vinegar contains various type of amino acid that helps to restore fatigue, synergistic effect with plum extract, our ume, and also helps to improve blood circulation. So how does ume and black vinegar help to improve on blood circulation is through this, you see. This is our blood vessel. This is our red blood cell. So when your red blood cell comes to a narrow blood vessel, okay, like all these branches or our capillaries, it will have to change its shape so to flow through the narrow blood vessel. So as you can see, from round shape, it will become flat. Then it will pass through easily. So as we age, because of diabetes, because of smoking, it causes our red blood cell to become very sticky, and also it won't be able to change its shape. So it will cause some form of blockage, and also the reason why elderly, their blood flow is slower. Okay, so both black vinegar and ume will be able to give back this red blood cell deformability, meaning able to change the shape when so become more soft. Then this will improve on circulation as well. So next we have our wonder probiotics. So probiotic, as we all know, okay, it helps to protect or as a treatment for gastrointestinal disorders, which is all our bowel problem like IBS, disturbance, digestion disturbance, and even constipation. So why do we need to uh, take probiotic and especially on constipation? The reason is because constipation, people who has constipation, you have that toxic waste stays in your body for a few days. Your intestine will reabsorb all this toxin. It will cause you to have a few problems like a headache and even pigmentation on your face. So how to choose a good probiotic is you have to get more amount of live probiotic, okay, which is still alive. So we have this technology which is making it into a viable but not culturable state, VBNC. So you see, when you take probiotic, you need to take it is in a active or alive form. So when you or a lot of probiotic or even good bacteria in the market, they put in large amount of bacteria so to counter its depletion. So towards the end, you may still get some form of probiotic which is still alive. But ours, we have this VBNC, which made it the probiotic into a dormant form when it's in its capsule. Dormant form, which is something like hibernation. So when giving an example like bears or snakes or frogs, during winter time they hibernate, so they go to sleep, or in bacteria we call it they go into a dormant form. So they will stop reproducing, and it will the amount of food and also energy will be less because when you put a good bacteria into a capsule, the food is limited. Okay, so if it's remain as an active form, it will of course deplete or even die. So how much of live bacteria that you take in towards the end, you won't know. Ours is VBNC, it's in dormant form, so prolongs and enhances its stability and viability, a shelf life 2 years or more without refrigeration. So this one you may uh, get a lot of live bacteria when you ingest it. It will be activated, okay? Although it's in dormant form when it's in the capsule, it will be activated after you ingest it because of your stomach environment and also temperature. Okay, so our probiotic have 5 probiotic strains. Okay, so as you can see, lactobacillus, okay, group for small intestine, and we have bifidobacterium and streptococcus for large intestine. Okay, so our small and large intestine is also covered. Very potent uh, probiotic. So remember, ours is VBNC. So it lies as dormant or hibernating when it's in its capsule. It will be activated only after you ingest it. So possesses a shelf life 2 years or more without refrigeration. Don't need to put into the fridge. So, and of course, multi-strain probiotic formulation, large or small intestine are all covered. And next, okay, talking about digestion, we have our digest enzyme as well. So our enzyme is a complete enzyme blend for digestion. So have a broad spectrum enzyme blend for optimal digestion. It's able to help to digest on carbohydrate, proteins, and even fat. And also digestives, we added in a neutrose wheat dextrin. There are 2 ingredients. So this wheat dextrin acts as a prebiotic. So what is prebiotic, not probiotic? Prebiotic is simply means that it's food for good bacteria. So even if you are not taking in probiotic, when you take in prebiotic, it also helps to feed the natural good bacteria in your gut. So it helps to modulate the gut environment. So the health benefit of taking is first, of course, is for people who have indigestion. It improves on your digestion, increases the nutrient assimilation. So meaning that the nutrient quality that your body absorb after you take in your food will be improved. So it actually helps to improve on the energy level, okay, and also improves on skin and tissue healing as well. So we have the uh, wheat dextrin to help to support our healthy microbiome balance. So it also helps to reduce food allergies because indigested food will cause food allergies. So next, of course, on the summary on enzyme, a broad spectrum digestive enzyme for digestion on carbohydrate, protein, and fat. So added wheat dextrin as a dietary fiber and prebiotic. Okay, so it help to support natural form of the good bacteria in your gut. And a good digestion enzyme, it helps to improve digestion, nutrient assimilation, so the quality of your um, food, the nutrient that you take in. So how to take this? This is also made into a chewable form. So take it together with your heaviest meal. So often, if let's say a person who takes a heaviest meal in the morning, you may take it in together with your food. So before or after also, right? Just as long as you take it together with your food. So, and finally, we have the remaining products. First, we have our citicoline. Citicoline, which is the main ingredient for our brain cell. So it helps to improve on attention, focus, and memory. So very good, important for brain's function and improving on memory. So this is also made into a chewable form. So it's suitable for children, school-going children as well. So next, we have our high concentrate ginkgo. So as you can see, it's 200 milligram because in the market, a lot of ginkgo maybe ranges from 40 milligram to even 120 milligram. Ours is a high concentrate. Just take once a day is enough. So the function of taking ginkgo is first is for blood thinning effect. So it helps to improve on blood circulation. So helps with vertigo, improve memory, helps with tinnitus, the high frequency that you hear from your ear, and leg cramps. So next, added with we had sorry next we have our EPO, so evening primrose oil with added borage oil. So this one, it has the provide you with the essential fatty acids, which is the GLA, gamma linolenic acid. So our EPO provide you 15% as compared to a lot of EPO in the market, which is only 10%. So ours able to help with skin problem, PMS, and menopausal problem. And lastly, we have our J is J stands for joint. So it's a 3-in-1 joint formula. We have turmeric, boswellia, and collagen, which provide you the chondroitin and glucosamine. Very good for people who have osteoarthritis or the degenerative uh, joint problem that you have, loosening of the cartilage and also all in your knee and also hip joint. So this will help to relieve the pain for people who has joint pain or especially osteoarthritis. So next we have a pants, which is a very, very good, very popular pants for a tightening pants for improve on circulation. So you see, our Astar pants uses a temperature retention fiber which emits far infrared rays as it in contact with your skin temperature. So how does it this pants can emit on far infrared is by having a ultrafine ceramic bits we embedded into the thread. So as you can see on this, see the small ceramic bits inside the thread. Okay, so when it comes to contact with your body temperature, it will re-emit far infrared ray into your body or into your skin. So of course, the far infrared it helps to warm the body and also other functions like we'll tell you in a while. So as you can see, heat retention ability. So when you have far infrared, the most important point is you see um when okay when you wear ordinary pants, of course you can see here, okay? So this is from a thermal camera. So red represents hot or warm. Of course, blue represents cold. So as you can see, after you wear the far infrared fiber pants, the temperature increases more than any type of fiber. But the best thing on getting a far infrared fiber is the heat retention because after undressing, even after undressing, because of the far infrared that helps to improve on blood circulation, the warmth will remain even if you undress. As you can see, the warmth is still there. If you're taking a normal ordinary fiber, your warmth, of course, it become very cold very fast. So how does it help with our health? So first, other than the infrared that helps to improve on circulation, the design of the pants as well is also very important. As you can see, it has this patented 3D knitting incorporation different pressure point on wearing tension areas. So our blood circulation, especially on our lower limb, our legs, okay, it rely on our muscle to push the venous system or squeeze our blood back to our heart. So the design of this pants is it has a highest pressure on the ankle area. So at it comes out to our knee and to our hip, the pressure reduces. So here in pressure measurement, we call it kilopascal. On the ankle side is 28 kilopascal. On the knee is 21 kilopascal, and on the hip is 15 kilopascal. So this pressure point, so as you see, as you can imagine as well, our blood will be from a high pressure gradient, 28 will squeeze to 21, 21 will push it up to 15, 15 will push it back to our heart. This is how it helps to improve on our blood circulation and even lymphatic drainage. So for the health benefit, first, because of the infrared, it helps to improve on metabolism and fat burning, improves the body shape because of the 3D knitting, wearing tension. It helps to lift our buttock as well. So, and tone up thighs, reduces cellulites and orange peel skin because of the blood circulation, and of course varicose vein as well. It helps to squeeze up our venous system blood back to our heart. And for health, of course, it helps with blood circulation, benefits the heart because the heart doesn't need to pump so hard to get back the blood, prevents blood clot if you're on a long journey drive or even when you're traveling far, if you're taking a long flight, this will help to prevent some blood clot, okay? Improve on lymphatic drainage, like I said. Then, of course, the tension surrounding your limbs, it helps on your joints. It helps to relieve joint, knee, and muscular pain, prevents cramp, reduces water retention, and menstrual pain as well because of the infrared giving you the warm feeling. So this is the best combination that I designed using all our health products. So this combination, you may get it from your members or for all your friends. Okay, so for easy sharing. So which these are the 14 most common disorders or even problems that people may face. So you can just combine all these products for different function. Okay. All right, so after health product, we come to our skincare. So first, skincare. Okay, our range of skincare is from this company from Korea, Derma from Korea. So it's a highly efficient, produces particular result and safe and tested in clinical use because Derma has their own big research facility as well to research on all the products that they produce. Okay, so why saying doctor's choice? Because Derma Previously, it was only supplied to the aesthetic doctors, okay, to aesthetic clinics. It was not widely available in the market. And of course, the firm has more than 20 years track record, supplies more than 3,000 clinics and exports to more than 20 countries. So the special or the key on our A-Star skincare or our dermaphone product is it does not contain any heavy chemicals. So as you can see here, no parabens, no sulfates, no tar, no ethylene oxide. Okay, and the rest, because all these are traditionally put in or the commonly put into a lot of skincare for their the as a preservative, especially on parabens. Okay, so parabens, if you Google and have a look, it shows that it actually may cause or there is a risk of causing cancer. Okay, so why is still why paraben is still allowed to put into a lot of skincare or even shampoos? Because first, if you don't use it at a high amount, if you put it in the minimum amount, or there is from all this Ministry of Health, they may have a restricted level that you cannot exceed this limit. Okay, so of course, all these manufacturer, they do not put they just put in a very minimal amount. I'll give you an example. Let's say the government limits you to put anything less than 0.5. They put it 0.2. So it is safe for one product. But are you using only one product that contains parabens? So you may need to double check on all your products, your shampoo, your body lotion, even your soap. Okay. If you use multiple products together, will it exceed the safe level? Okay. So try to use product which no parabens. Okay. It actually will provide you a safer environment. So of course, the ingredient used by our dermaphone product, okay, so which is mainly contains from plants and botanical extracts, oils, vitamins, and minerals. Next, it uses peptides. So a nanoprotein fragments acts as a messenger carrier that triggers skin improvement benefits. So what is peptides? Peptide is actually a broken down form of protein. If you further break down peptides, it will become amino acid. So previously, there is a lot of product in the market. They put in amino acid. So they, because of the smaller particle, it claims that it will have a better absorption. But lately, the more and more the trend is more and more leaning towards peptides, because amino acid, although it's a smaller particles or a smaller compound compared to peptide, but it contains a negative charge on its surface, so causing it absorption is less. Uh, the absorption is for peptides, okay, sorry, the peptides absorption is better because of its natural charge. It does not contain any charge. That's why even the particle size of peptide is bigger than that of amino acid, the absorption is still better. And of course, a lot of products uses stem cell cultures. So the full range of product that we have, because the most basic steps on skincare, of course, you need to do three things. Okay, so the three basic steps. Okay, let me do introduction. So first, you need the first step is cleansing. Okay, so first we have our total makeup remover. Okay, so very gentle water-based makeup remover. So does not contain any heavy chemicals. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. So, and also very potent makeup remover. So this makeup remover, even men should use it, because you see, men without makeup, even let's say if you go out and come back from outside, there are a lot of dust and even this uh, pollution, air pollution, that will cause your skin to your pores to block up. So this makeup remover also can remove all this. And next we have our foaming cleanser, where it creates a very, very good foam for deep pores cleansing. Okay, so this is for the cleansing part. As I said, the basic step. Okay, first cleansing, second toning or skin toner. We have our soothing, hydrating skin toner. So it helps to second time or even third time of skin cleansing, so to prepare your skin for the next step. All right, so the last, of course, of the basic on the skincare, which is our moisturizing or hydration. So we have our all-in-one day and night cream, a very, very good uh, for anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, as you can see. So it contains peptides and lotus stem cell for skin regeneration and rejuvenation. So this is very suitable for people who have oily skin, okay, because um, it's a very, very good mild, also moisturizing and helps to provide all these peptides for your skin. Next, we have our okay, let's go through one by one. So we have our neck cream. So this particularly for reducing wrinkle and okay, so improving firming and lifting on your skin for your neck, because you see a lot of times our skin on our face, we can improve on the or reducing wrinkles by improving collagen production by, but our skin requires a different form, which is using our neck cream. So this neck cream is very, very light and does not it's not does not feel oily at all. So you may use it daily, every day, to reduce wrinkle on your neck. Then next we have our whitening cream, so to prevent uneven skin tone and even very good for pigmented skin. Next, we have our intensive hydration cream, which contains very high amount of hyaluronic acid, so and also 10 herbal extract to lock in moisture, so it prevents moisture loss. Next, we have our vitamin C soft peel gel, so you may use it weekly to remove all this dead skin, and because it uses enzymes and peptides to remove uh, dead skin and impurities on our face, so it will not cause your skin to become more and more red. And because of the mild enzyme, okay, even sensitive skin, you may use it to remove dead skin, to improve on skin renewal. And next we have all-in-one face serum. Same, this is very, very good for suitable for people who has oily skin, because of and inside contains is peptides as well to improve on skin rejuvenation. And next, we have two of our treatment gel. So our treatment cream. So first, we have our Pigment X. So for concentrated on pigmentation. So let's say, how do you use a treatment gel or treatment cream? Is after toning. Okay, after toning, you should have to use this first. So putting it on directly on the affected area only, which is on our, let's say for Pigment X, of course, is for the pigmented or any form of freckles that you have on your cheek. And next, we have our Blemish X, which is for acne skin. So spot relief, if you have a acne or even the pimple coming out, you just apply, it will resolve itself. It does not need you to pinch it and causing a scar formation after. And next, we have our all-in-one eye cream. So eye cream, not just reducing on our dark circle, it also have the peptides too, and also the stem cell culture to reduce on wrinkle around our eyes as well, especially the end of the on the two sides of our eyes, which is we call it as crow fits. So not just uh, dark, reducing dark circle, it also reduces wrinkle on around our eyes as well. And next we have our star product, okay, star facial product, which you cannot it's not easily available that you can find in the market. So first you see we have our spa facial treatment, which contains three products inside. First step, soft peel gel to remove all this dead skin, okay, for exfoliation. Next we have the second step, which is our deep pore cleansing oxygen mask. It's a mask. Once you put in, you can see foam start to form around on the surface of the mask. So this uh, first, the foam is very, very silky foam. It helps for deep pore cleansing, and because of the oxygen generated, high concentration of oxygen, it helps to kill off any form of harmful bacteria on our face as well. And lastly, we have our intense hydration collagen mask. So for better collagen, provide collagens and also hydration to our skin. So by using these three steps together, it provides you a sense or experience or a effect as though as you go to a beauty salon after you do a facial treatment. So this one you can do it at home. Okay, easily can do it at home without the hassle to travel or even going to the beauty salon. So next we have a micro needle cream. So it is for micro needling. So micro needling is an aesthetic procedure which helps to collagen induction therapy, also known as collagen induction therapy. Why? Because you see, our skin. Okay, so how do you induce a renewal or induce collagen induction? Is by having some form of injure. We call it in aesthetic term, we call it controlled injury. So when you injure your skin, that will naturally start to regenerate. So it is into induce your skin to rejuvenate and also regenerate because of the controlled injury. So this one, our microneedle is made from a botanical plant, so it does not need to wash off. You just need to use it. Okay, after 72 hours, okay, it will dissolve by itself because of the botanical needle. So this one, again, you don't need to put on, let's say, the conventional micro needling procedure. You need to put on a numbing cream on your face. So this does not require that. So it's a natural form and give you the same effect without the downtime, which you also can do it on the convenient at your home. So inducing collagen, first it helps to reduce wrinkle, it helps to reduce scar as well. So and next we have our orchid marine you serum, so different forms of growth factor and peptides, and one of the strongest and Nobel Prize winning fluorinous, Nobel Prize winning antioxidant fluorinous. It helps to regenerate our skin, ultimate skincare booster. So this is very suitable for people having dry skin. Okay, people with dry skin and you want to have a high effect on hydration and also anti-wrinkle and even whitening effect, you can use our Orchid Marine Youth Factor. So next we have our all-in-one biocellulose mask. So biocellulose mask, it it has a very high, uh, it's like a second skin, okay, very high adhesion to your skin. So with this high adhesion to your skin, it's like the second skin. It provides the all these beauty ingredient that helps to anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, firming, whitening. Okay, so power skin and smoothing and renewal. So this has differs from paper mask because biocellulose mask will cause all these ingredient to have an osmotic effect. It will help to push the ingredient to your skin. Okay, so as like paper mask, it will easily fall off. It does not have this osmotic effect. So our instant beauty biocellulose mask can have let your skin to have a instantaneous whitening effect. And next we have our botanical personal care, which is our ranging from our shampoo to our lotion and also our shower cream. So let me start off with our shower cream and body lotion. So this range of personal care, of course, the same. It does not contain any heavy chemical. So we have our probiotic body wash, probiotic hand and body lotion, and also intensive hand cream. So and hair care, we have four different type of hair. So I will introduce it in a while. And of course, no parabens, okay? So no sulfates and no harsh chemicals. So first, we have our range of probiotic body care. So it helps to restore skin microbiome because our skin has the natural form of bacteria, okay, a good bacteria. So when you provide probiotic to our skin, it helps to rebuild and reinforce our skin protective layer. So as also studies suggesting that when probiotic or good bacteria on our skin disintegrate or they when they degenerates, okay, when they die, they will produce hyaluronic acid. That is how they improve on our skin hydration and water retention property. It promotes healing and repair because if you promote the growth of good bacteria, of course the harmful bacteria will reduce and it helps with skin healing as well. It protects against a lot of skin problem, especially like eczema. So okay, another word, and of course, on amino acid, our products also using amino acids. Okay, added in amino acid because you see, amino acid is the it helps to contribute to healthy hair and skin because it helps to strengthen connective tissue like our skin elasticity, hair, nail strength. So our body care and as on our probiotic shower gel, it uses amino acid as the foaming agent. Okay, it is not using SLS or the rest as a foaming agent, so it is very effective for our skincare. So we have three products, so all natural, no parabens, no sulfates. So first we have our uh, probiotic shower gel. So very good for, let's say, sensitive skin because it does not contain any harsh chemicals, and also the probiotic helps to have a better moisture. Then next we have our probiotic hand and body lotion. So this one you can use it throughout the body, and because of our fingers or even our hands, okay, it needs a higher or a better hydration. So we have our intensive hand cream, which provides a better hydration purpose than hand and body lotion. Okay. And next, we have a range of our shampoo, our botanical hair care. Okay, so all this range of hair care is designed and used by famous hair salon. Okay, so all this the ingredient and also the uh, structure that you use is by all these hair salon. So first we have our beautifying shampoo. Okay, so here before I go into our shampoo, let me introduce you to see how to differentiate our three products by having this simple basic step. See, our hair has two types of problem. Okay, so first is on the hair itself. Okay, so people who has have to often dye their hair or even you perm your hair, it causes all this chemical damage to your hair. So you need to take care of your hair. So the other problem from our hair care is on the scalp. So people who has a scalp problem, let's say you have a very oily hair, you're having some form of hair loss because of dandruff. Okay, all these are because of scalp problem. So identify your the problem or the disorder that you have from your hair, then you may choose on a product. So first, beautifying shampoo. So people who does not have any problem with regarding on the hair, you did not perm your hair, did not dye your hair, you do not have any scalp problem, you do not have any dandruff, you just for normal hair type. So frequent use, you can use it daily. So as you can see, sulfate free, paraben free. So this is very good for people who has a regular hair. So it helps to promote a very healthy, lustrous hair, fortify roots, okay, improve on your hair volume because it contains on all the amino acid as well. It helps to restore strength and bounce and shine as well. So as you can see, hydrates and cleanses with amino acid surfactants. It's not using SLS as the foaming agent. It's an amino acid surfactants. It helps to protect UV damage and even heat styling. So this is for normal hair use. And next we have our botanical repair shampoo. So repair meaning that you have a damaged hair, dry and damaged hair. So for people who chemically treated their hair, like perming, like um, dyeing, okay? So color dyeing. So as you can see, same as sulfate free, paraben free. So it helps to provide a weightless intensive treatment to deep nourishment. So this one, it helps for people who have some flimsy hair because of the for frequent dyeing, okay, frequent chemically treated. So this helps to reduce the flimsy or the bouncy hair that you have, then restore a shiny and lustrous shine. So bouncy and tangle free hair. So because of the damaged hair, you have all this okay, as you can see, heat styling and color fading. Okay, so this also helps with color fading. Even people who dye their hair, often if you use your shampoo too frequently, after some time your color starts to fade. This one repair shampoo, it helps to protect the hair of the color of your hair as well, even the dye of your that you use. So this is very suitable for people who often chemically treated their hair. And of course, it goes with a restorative conditioner. So this conditioner helps to repair and structure damaged hair. So smoothen the lifted cuticles. So as you dye your hair, to perm your hair, it will cause your hair to have all these cuticles. So it's like breakage of your hair. So it helps to smoothen up to reduce the flimsiness. Sorry. So it restores the hair strength, so reduce hair breakage. So hair loss also cause some hair loss is caused by your hair breakage rather than the hair fall from the root. So this will help to strengthen your hair as well. So next we have the scalp care, which is having for people who have scalp problem. So let's say you have dandruff, you have itchy, inflamed scalp, and even oily scalp. You're having some form of hair loss because of oily scalp. You may use this scalp care. So this one, it same, it uses amino acid based surfactants, okay, non-irritating, so suitable for people who have uh, the allergic skin type, okay. So, and of course, salinity free, safe for color treated hair as well. So it reduces and prevents dandruff and dry flakes, okay. So calms and soothes your relieves itchiness, okay. So your head actually feels very refreshed after washing. It has this kind of a cooling sensation after you use this scalp care. So people who, let's say you do not have, you have a lot of I do not recommend this for people who has high dense hair. Okay, if you have a lot of hair, okay, you, you may use the beautifying or the restorative. So scalp care, after you use, you may cause, let's say for people who have oily hair, it will increase their hair volume. So it may cause some form of dryness that you can feel if you have a large hair volume. So this is especially for people who have scalp problem. Okay, so if you have dandruff, if you have oily skin, oily scalp, this will be very suitable for you. And next, it also goes with a scalp care conditioner. So conditioner, a lot of times you try to avoid on the scalp, but this scalp care conditioner, you can use it, apply on the scalp and massage it 3 to 5 minutes. Then only you wash out and rinse it off, because this scalp care conditioner contains the um, some herbs, and also it helps to improve on since a healthier cell turnover of scalp, so reducing on dandruff, so and also control the oil. Okay, so very suitable for dry and oily scalp condition, so for dandruff and oily skin. So this one you may massage it onto your scalp as well. And next we have our best feminine pads. Okay, so it's 10 times better absorption, unique base, and there is a leak-proof yet breathable concession. So as we put it on a very simple description, it has as though as it has air con, it's as though it's air conditioned. And of course, the super absorbent material is from Sumitomo, Japan. Okay. Then the pad wings adhesive, the glue that we use is Henkel, Germany. We are not using any industrial glue. This Henkel, Germany is very, very safe for our skin. So it has a layer of metal strip in the middle layer. It has nano silver for antibacterial, killed off any form of bacteria. It has a natural magnet and far infrared for to promote better blood circulation. It has negative ions, which lets you feel the refreshing, cool anti-odor, okay, for aseptic environment. So let me go through the layer of our pad, okay, filming pad. So first we have this non-woven fabric, provides from comfort and protects your delicate skin from friction. So non-woven fabric, it does not cause any dust, okay, or any particle to break off. So it won't cause any irritation, or it won't cause any form of allergy, okay, for all our the ladies FIR part, okay. And of course, the second layer, which the multi-mineral strip that contain FIR, magnetic negative ion, and nano silver that I mentioned just now. Then third layer, airlaid paper, same, a dust-free paper, so prevent any form of irritant being go to your body, to your skin. And the fourth layer being the most important part, which is our SAP, super absorbent paper. So later on, please have a look at our video demonstration. Even you put in a large amount of liquid, or it will able to absorb it fully, and it won't it lock in the moisture very, very well. It prevents leakage as well. So fifth layer, airlaid paper, And of course, the last breathable bottom layer, this also please have a look at our product video demonstration. So it allows the funnel to prevent backflow, okay, and maximize protection. It helps to relieve or release the form of warm, and also the release the uh, web, okay, from or any form of it's breathable layer. It is a breathable layer, and yet won't it able to prevent uh, leakage. And last two products, okay, for tonight, of course, we have our dishwasher and our floor cleaner. So first, our Eco dishwashing concentrate, high, very, very high concentrate, 80 times concentrate. And as you can see, it's able to dilute it. Okay, ultra concentrate, dilute 80 bottles. So just follow the instruction. It's very, very potent washing, easy to remove any oil stain. So giving an example, let's say you have some plastic container. After you store it, some oily food, the oil is very, very stubborn and irritating. You have to wash a few times only you're able to get rid of it. This dishwasher, the especially on the plastic container, you just need to wash it one time. Okay, I'm sure you are able to get rid of all this oil stain. And food safe. Okay, so remember this is food safe. So even your children accidentally ingested it on pure, is also safe, but we do not recommend you to use it to wash your vegetable, because this is not food grade, it's food safe, okay, and also very safe for the environment, okay, so it's why it's eco-friendly, very gentle on hands, suitable for people who have allergic skin and any form of eczema, okay, so very easy to rinse off and antibacterial. It provides a very fresh tangerine zest scent, okay. So lastly, we have our Eco Floor Cleaner Concentrate, also very, very high concentrate, ultra concentrated formula. One bottle you may use up to 30 uses. One bottle you may use it if you do mop or wash your floor every day. Just one bottle can last you for a month. So suitable for all types of flooring, marble, granite, tile, mosaic, cement, and even parquet. And effortlessly cuts through dirt, okay, very good for protecting your flooring. And the experience that I can share with you, so it has this dirt resistant protective coating, okay, so it have also this unique wax coating technology, so it provides you a first, it restores a shine and exceptional smoothness to your floor. So it gives you a feeling that, okay, see, the experience, how you describe it to, or you want to share it to your friends, you may say that after you use our floor cleaner on the floor, okay, so if you step on it on barefootly, and after that you step on other surfaces, you will miss the kind of sensation or the feeling that you're stepping on the floor that uses our Eco floor cleaner. So this one, same eco-friendly, very safe for the environment, and not toxic ingredient. Even this is also, uh, let's say kids or pets accidentally ingested it, it is actually safe as well. Okay, so that's all from my product presentation today. Okay, and our product introduction. Okay, it's very, very thank you for your I mean your attendance and also your time with me. So the talk has been a good 1.5 hours. Very once again, thank you very much for attending my talk. And say so, please continue to use on all our products. Like our product is, or as our Mr. L mentioned before, so all our products are already being used by yourself. You don't need to know something new, but you just need to switch the brand. Okay, and of course we have very, very affordable price. Okay, that anyone can use it, and very, very high, a very potent product as well. So, and that's all for today's presentation. Thank you.